Manipur High Court ki Motor Accident Claims Tribunal MSCT dashboard amadi High Court asigi official website thagatpa judgment order khudima ki upload tawriba namit amadi pungfam gi information sapsana yawba software ani launch Toukhre Mantri Pukri da leiba Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice ki court pangthokpa thorom aduda court asigi Chief Justice M Sundar, Justice A Bimol, Justice A Guneswar Sharma amadi atai maruiba miyoi kya su saruk yakhi thorom aduga mari lenena Chief Justice M Sundar na High Court of Manipur gi sayol ani kalen suti leiringi manungda software ani si sembani India gi Supreme Court na khangalakpagi matungina hairiba software asi semduna launch tawbani ngasi launch tawriba software ani asigi manungda software amadi claim taruktraba deposit single list document amadi atai mari lenaba information khudimak upload tawbani atopa software amana High Court of Manipur gi official order khudimak upload tawrakli banumit amadi matamgi sabsaba information khudimak phangangani Manipur High Court ki sayol anige kalen suti asi mamal leina sijinakiba adugidamak nungaiba fawi haina Chief Justice M Sundar na makhatana phangdokhi
This vacation was used, this fortnight was used to develop two softwares in-house. It is homebred. One software pertains to MACT dashboard, Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal dashboard. This dashboard has been set up pursuant to orders of Honorable Supreme Court. What this dashboard does is, it will give a list of all unclaimed deposits which are lying unclaimed, and all the districts will upload it so that anyone accessing it at one flick of the finger can get the details of unclaimed deposits, and the Honorable Supreme Court has given a series of directions.